and blah 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 is gone. Just go away! Okay, so today we're going to talk about a rotary phone. We got a little rotary phone that my grandmother gave to me because it didn't work that my grandmother's mom had, and it was hers. So I'm going to show you how to use this rotary phone. And I'm going to call my friend, but I can't tell you her number because I don't want a stalker to go on. Wait, I got to put down the microphone to do this. Okay. This is how you work a rotary phone. You put it on your ear. Yeah, you know that because all people have to put a phone on their ear. Okay, and then you put your finger in which number you got to put it in. See, like right here, there's a 6, and if the number started with a 6, you will put your finger where the 6 is in that hole and turn it to right here. Wait, I think I'm calling somebody. Let me hang up. Okay, now I'm going to call my friend. Okay.
Hello.
Hi, friend.
Hello.
Oh, I'm talking to you on the rotary phone. It's very old. Oh, I like this cord. It's all blingy and rotary. Okay, and I just called my friend and I'm talking to her right now. So I showed you how to use a rotary phone, and if you have one, you can find one of these cords and plug it up, and you'll be able to have your own rotary phone. Bye, people. Yeah, bye, people. Okay, you can look on Facebook and YouTube and search it, and you can look at my videos. Bye.